Hi friends and welcome to Gizbot. I'm Sharmi and today I'm going to talk about laptops. So today the thin and light laptops are in huge demand and this is where Asus is topping the list. We have with us a new laptop, namely the Asus ZenBook S 13 OLED, and here's the unboxing and first impressions of the same. So this is the Asus ZenBook 13S OLED laptop. So as you can see, it comes in this sort of packaging, and Asus says that this is an eco-friendly box which is made from recycled paper. So opening up, you can see that this is the laptop over here, and Asus claims that this is the world's lightest 13-inch OLED laptop. As you can see here, this is a portable device which is very lightweight, and Asus claims it weighs just about 1 kg. So one of the main features of the Asus ZenBook S 13 OLED is its display. So over here we have the laptop. It comes with a 13-inch, which is its namesake, OLED display. So this is also a touchscreen, and as you can see, it has very narrow bezels. And so even if there is a touchscreen support, this is not a complete 360-inch device. So that is one of the cons of the laptop. But overall, it seems very sleek and very thin on this device, which makes it very handy and portable. Going under the hood, the Asus ZenBook 13S OLED is a very powerful machine. So here, Asus has partnered with AMD for its chipset. It comes with the 6000 series processor and it has an inbuilt AMD Radeon graphics. So over here, I have with me, it is the powerful machine, and so as you can see, the touchscreen is very smooth, and more information about the laptop reveals all its RAM and other processor details. So the touchscreen here also helps in a lot of other browsing and other data. Makes it very handy for all kinds of activities, including scrolling, as well as you can even use it for playing games and much more. So as a typical thin and light laptop, the Asus 13S OLED comes with minimal ports over here. So you have the charging port over here and only a USB Type-C ports. So it misses on the Type-A port, which is one of the negative parts of the laptop. But that said, Asus also packs a USB converter with the box. So you can just plug this in and it converts the Type-C port to a Type-A port. So even if you have a traditional pen drive or a mouse, you can simply use it with this converter, which Asus ships it with the box. So as you can see, this is one of the most lightest and lightweight laptops that's available in the Indian market today. As you can see, it also misses a couple of ports and has a couple of cons. But we'll be posting a detailed review and more information about this laptop at our website gizbot.com. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.